Your answer should show you that all of these fractions are equal to the same thing. They're all equal to 1/4. Each time you divide this 1 inch up into smaller pieces, but each time they're all equal to each other because it's all the same distance. And the same with these. So 12/16 goes here, 6/8, and 3/4. They're all equal to the same thing because they're all the same distance from 1. They're just being divided into smaller parts each time. All right. Thank you so much for listening to both of these videos. Great work today. And when this video ends, you have one more activity to complete, a short Desmos assignment that covers what we learned on this video. Great job listening to this video and completing the assignments, and I know you can do it.